And here's a tutorial on how you will complete your onboarding process.
After you log in, you will see the interface, and on the top right corner, you have to click Become an Affiliate option and choose your preferred language and submit it. After submitting, you have to click on Show Step Navigator and you have to follow all these important 5 steps. Currently, you are in step number 1, which is Introduction to Affiliate Marketing, and you have to watch this video very carefully and then you have to start your affiliate journey. Then the second step is application form, where you have to fill all the details correctly and submit your application form. Now let's come to the third step, which is orientation to affiliate marketing. And as you can see, there are 5 modules and you have to watch each one of them. The module number 1 is what is Biz Gurukul and its affiliate program. Module number 2 is mastering affiliate marketing basis. Number 3 is learning affiliate marketing and landing pages. Number 4 is rules and regulation of affiliate marketing at Biz Gurukul. And number 5, community updates and support system. After watching all the videos, now let's come to the fourth step, and that is terms and condition acceptance, where you have to read all the terms and conditions thoroughly, and then we'll come to the last and the final step, which is final assessment test, where you have 15 set of questions and you have to score above 70% to pass this assessment. And after completing the assessment, congratulations, now you're a Biz Gurukul affiliate and can see your dashboard. And if not, or if you fail to complete the whole process, then don't worry, you can re-attempt the test as well. And even after several attempts, if you are still not able to pass this whole assessment test, then don't worry, you can contact our customer support team, which is available for you 9:30 AM to 6 PM. All the best, guys.